Welcome to Weave, a codeless AI workflow manager that lets you take advantage of generative AI. This is a short walkthrough to get you accustomed to our platform. First, let's log in. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted by the prompt dashboard that contains ready-to-use templates and previously saved prompts. Let's start by creating a new prompt and naming it in the top panel. For today's demo video, we'll be creating a workflow to generate 2 characters and a story scene involving them. So I'll name this first prompt Character 1. Under User Prompt, I'll then specify my instructions for the AI to follow. In this case, we want it to generate a game character based on a set of details that we define. These fields in teal can be created using the / key and are called custom inputs and are a key feature of Weave. By utilizing custom inputs, your prompts become ready for future use. So no more having to type out the same set of instructions again. Now we have the system prompt. This is where we let our AI model know its role and how it's supposed to act. For this example, we'll set it to being a professional game designer. We'll also let it know to only reply in bullet points under 100 words. From here, we can fill in our inputs on the side panel and click Run to test out our prompt. Soon after, we'll be able to view its results under the Output section at the bottom. As a side note, you can play around with the settings on the side panel to achieve different results. For example, you can select different AI models and adjust their parameters. In this case, we're satisfied with the result, so we'll go ahead and click Publish. This makes it so that the prompt is live and is ready to be integrated through an API. Now we need 2 more prompts, a second character generator and a story writer. For the second character generator, we'll simply duplicate and rename the first prompt. While for the story writer, we'll repeat the steps earlier to create a separate one for writing stories. With everything in place, let's jump to the workflow dashboard and create one. Like what we did with our prompts earlier, let's name our workflow. On this workflow canvas, we're able to view previously created prompts on the left and add them by dragging and dropping. Let's add our 3 prompts that we created earlier. With all of them added, we now have to connect them by joining their outputs and inputs. If you notice, the story writing prompt I created earlier has an extra custom input field that doesn't have anything to be connected to it. I added it on purpose so we can change its value at any moment. All we have to do is add a constant note by right-clicking an empty space on the working canvas and type in our desired value. With that, we'll connect our last prompt with our output and fill in the global input panel on the right. We'll test our workflow by clicking Run. With the workflow up and running, all that's left to do is hit Publish and it'll go live on the API. Interested to explore how you could use generative AI to automate your business? Sign up and try our free demo at weave.chasm.net.